In this video, I'll be taking the checkbook that we've been working on over the last few weeks, and we're going to add a summary page. And the tool specifically we'll be using is cross-sheet linking. So I'm going to start off by adding a heading here. And I'm going to do counts. I'm going to make sure it's nice and big and bold. Mine was already set because I just cleared it out from when I did the demo live. And we're going to now make this cell equal to the value on the main checking sheet right here, this A1. That's going to put, quote, main checking, quote, exclamation point A1. If I just hit enter, now this text looks like it just says main checking, but really it's following us here. So if I change this from main checking to my checking, and I go back to my summary, that updates automatically. So it automatically follows. I'm going to read this main checking though. And I'm going to make the B cell equal to the amount of money in my main checking. So I'm going to go click the main checking. I'm then going to click on D1 and enter. And now this value, if I update main checking, add another thing like 11/5/2020, $1,200 stimulus. I go to my summary, this value now automatically follows it. Now I'm going to do the same things the same way, except I'm going to do this manually. So if you don't like clicking, we can type manually single quote, and then I have to follow exactly what it says down here where it says main savings. So I have to main is SAVINGS single quote exclamation point A1. I can copy this over here, but make this instead of B1, B1. And now I'm going to write total, and this is going to just take and add these numbers. So I'm going to hit equals, and it wants to already guess. I want sum B2, B3, which is exactly what I'd like. If I go to my savings and say 10 or 11/5/2020, $500 stim. Now I go to my summary, both this value update and my total updates live. So these are automatically tied together. I'm going to add a skip space. I'm now going to go loans. Again, I'm going to make this big, size 18, just to make it stick out. I'm going to hit equals, and I'm going to go and hide the sharing thing. Click on my credit card. I'm going to click on the A1 and equals. And then in the credit card, I want to know the balance. So I'm going to click on D1 again. I'm going to do equals. I'm going to go car loan. I'm going to click on A1. Now this one's a little weird because what I want specifically here is not how much I've paid, but how much I have left on the loan so that I can keep track of how much absolute money I have. So I'm going to click on D2 this time, hit enter. And then I'm going to go total. Again, do equals, and it automatically wants to do the right thing. So I'm going to hit enter. And then to make this a little prettier, I'm going to take and put a line above those. And then the same thing, I'm going to put a line above these. Just so that it's there. And then I'm going to finally add full or summary. And my summary is going to be absolute total. I'm going to do equals my total money minus my total debts. That shows me that even if I took all my money and paid my loans, I'd still owe $9,000. So that's usually the case for, you'll be negative for a while. Eventually, at some point, if you add enough things, eventually you have like accounts. You have like a retirement account and 401k or 403b or whatever. And if you have those would go towards your total money. You can see this number eventually go positive. Once it's positive, that's a good time. That means you're not living paycheck to paycheck effectively. So that is cross-site linking or cross-sheet linking, and it's a pretty powerful tool.